And in yet another incident in a span of few days, mob in Kangpokpi district torched a truck that was heading towards Dimapur from Imphal yesterday. The incident took place at around 11 last night near Alex Farm, which is located between Kangpokpi town and Changogbung village. A huge mob reportedly stopped the truck and checked the relevant documents of the vehicle. The mob then set the truck on fire after they found that the truck was owned by a Meitei. The driver and the co-driver somehow managed to escape from the site. Upon receiving the news, a team of Kangpokpi police and fire tender tried to enter the spot but was stopped by the mob. Police had to fire a few rounds of bullets in the air in order to disperse the mob. Later, they finally managed to douse the fire on the truck. A case has been registered subsequently in connection with the incident. It may be mentioned that drivers continue to face safety issues while traveling on Imphal-Dimapur National Highway No. 2. They are often exposed to problems such as threats, extortion and intimidation, and are under constant stress and fear while using this crucial national highway.